Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make shichimi potato. It's simple French fries flavored with Shichimi Japanese Chili mix. The spiciness of the chili mix makes it so addictive and you can't stop eating it. It's very easy to make. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Some frozen French fries, or you can of course use potatoes cut into shoestrings. Some salt, garlic powder, and Shichimi Japanese chili mix. It's all as much as you like. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. Let's fry the potatoes by following the instruction on the package. Once it's nicely fried, take them out and drain. Don't turn the heat off until you take them all out. Some salt, garlic powder, and Shichimi Japanese chili mix. Then toss. And Shichimi potato is ready to go. いただきます。This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, one or two side dishes. But let's forget about the layout today. How about hamburger, some salad, and the fries? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!